so that you can put in the production setup. So when you got the production setup, you have to select the prediction. So mine is already selected, but you need to select the production prediction as production using well models. So we have different types. We have the production from production schedule where we have no wells, or you can use calculate the number of wells achieved for the target depending on what you're producing. So here we are producing with we are using water injection for our wells, so we shall select water injection, and we had a glass cap in our reservoir, so we have to set it. And then the other thing is we have to come to this side, and then it is in automatic, and we have to put in the final day of our production, which is 1st of September 2030. When we are done with that, we click on done, and we come back here and we have to put in the production constraints. So in the production constraints, you have to put in the first day of your production, put in the manifold pressure, minimum oil rate, and all this other information, just like I put here. And by doing that, we have set up our production constraints and production prediction. So after that, we click on done, and we have our information input so that we can proceed to the next part, which is well type definitions, well scheduling, and reporting. So after that, we can proceed to the other parts. Thank you very much. It's Kiza Thomas taking you through this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and always remember to recommend a friend.